Want to personalize your reports and add your own data fields? Busy lets you do it quickly and easily. First, open the sales invoice in modify mode. Go to the address section. If you'd like this field to appear in your sales register, head to display, accounts books, account registers standard, and open the sales register. Now, click on the custom column option at the top right corner and add a format name. Enter all the required details such as column heading, position, data type, and more. Then, save the settings. Finally, go back to the sales register to confirm that your new column has been added successfully. Creating personalized reports is simple and seamless with Busy.